In this video, I am going to show you how to make Tata Neu credit card bill payment online. You can make the bill payment using 3 ways. I will show you the 3 ways. The first method is directly using the Tata Neu app. Open the Tata Neu app on your phone. From the categories on the top, click on credit and click on new card. Once your bill is generated, it will show you the option to pay now. Click on pay now, and they have given the clearly on how to make the bill payment on your Tata Neu credit card. You need to scroll down, check all the details and click on I agree and click on proceed. You need to enter your Tata Neu credit card details and the amount and click on pay now. It will be redirected to Bill Desk payment gateway page. Over there you need to select your net banking account and make the payment. And the second method is using the HDFC net banking account or using the mobile app. Log into the mobile banking app or internet banking. If you have linked your Tata Neu credit card, it will be shown under credit cards. Make the payment using that. I made a separate video on how to do that. I will give the link in the description box. And the third method is using the Cred app. Open the Cred app on your phone. Once you are signed in, the user interface will look like this. From the homepage itself, click on credit cards. Based on your PAN card, it will automatically fetch some credit cards for you. If your credit card is not showing up, simply click on add card and enter the card number, card holder name and click on proceed. After entering your card number and the name, it will ask you to enter the expiry date. Enter the expiry date and click on proceed. Once you add your credit card to the Cred app, it will automatically show you the bill payment amount which you need to pay if the bill is generated. For me, the bill is generated, so it is showing me pay now or pay later. I am going to skip that. Directly under credit cards, it will show you the bill I need to pay. Here you can see that it is giving me option to pay now. Click on pay now. And you have the option to pay the total bill or minimum bill. I am going to select pay total. You will be given an option to make the bill payment using net banking or UPI apps. By default, it will show you the recommended methods. Otherwise, you can simply click on view all and select whatever payment method you want, UPI options and net banking, and make the payment on that particular card. Once the payment is successful, it will show you the message like this. Here you can see the message, credit card bill payment is done within 1 minute. If you want, you can go to the Tata Neu app and check whether the bill has been paid or not within 1 minute. Open the Tata Neu app on your phone and from the categories click on credit and click on new card. Previously for me 30,890 rupees was showing. Now you can see that it is showing 0. That means the card payment is done successfully. So that's it guys. In this way you can make credit card bill payments using Cred app easily. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.